Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Hey everyone! Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of Thai street food to discover the tiny, crispy, and delicious Kanom Buang. We'll explore what it is, how it tastes, and why everyone loves it. Walk through any busy Thai market and you will see little golden tacos lined up on a hot plate, filled with fluffy white cream and bright orange threads. That is Kanom Buang, often written as Kanom Buang, a classic Thai street snack that people have loved for centuries. These Thai crispy pancakes look playful, taste amazing, and are fun to eat in just 2 bites. The shell is thin and crunchy, the filling is creamy, and the toppings can be sweet or savory. Kids love them, locals grab them as a quick snack, and travelers remember them long after the trip ends. This video will help you understand what Kanom Buang is, how it tastes, what goes inside, and how to try it in Thailand or even in a simpler way at home. What is Kanom Buang? A simple guide to Thai crispy pancakes. Kanom Buang is a traditional Thai snack that looks like a mini crispy crepe, folded like a tiny taco. The base is a thin round pancake that cooks on a flat hot plate. Once it sets, the vendor adds a light cream and colorful toppings, then folds it in half. You will find it at street carts, markets, and food courts all over Thailand. Vendors often make dozens at a time on a wide metal griddle. The carts are easy to spot because of the bright orange topping and the sweet smell of sugar and eggs. Most food writers believe Kanom Buang started as a royal snack during the U Thai Yao period, then slowly spread out to the streets. Today it is everyday food, cheap and friendly, yet still feels a bit special. If you want to say it like a local, try Kanom Buang. Say it with a soft KH and a clear Buang at the end. How Kanom Buang looks, smells and tastes. The shell is very thin, golden brown, and crisp. When you pick it up, it feels light, almost like a potato chip in the shape of a taco. Inside, you usually see a white swirl of cream. On top of that sits a bright orange or yellow topping, often made from egg yolk threads or shredded coconut. Bite into one and you get a clear snap from the shell, then soft cream, and sometimes a chewy or stringy topping. Sweet versions taste creamy, lightly sugary, and a little eggy. Savory ones taste salty, rich, and often a bit spicy from curry paste or herbs. Key ingredients inside Thai crispy pancakes. Kanom Buang has 3 main parts that work together. The batter. The shell batter is usually made from rice flour, sometimes mixed with mung bean flour or wheat flour, plus eggs and sugar. This mix spreads very thin and cooks fast, which gives the pancake its light crunch and delicate shape. The cream. The white cream looks like whipped cream but is more like a meringue. Vendors whip egg whites with sugar until thick and glossy. This adds sweetness and a soft texture that balances the crisp shell. The toppings. Sweet toppings often include pha thong, thin sweet egg yolk threads that are bright orange. Golden shredded coconut, toasted and sweet. Sweetened shredded coconut with a hint of jasmine or pandan. Savory toppings can be minced or dried shrimp, sometimes mixed with sugar and fish sauce. Shredded coconut fried with curry paste and herbs. A mix of minced pork, pepper, and spring onions. Each topping changes the flavor and turns the same crispy base into either dessert or a snack that feels almost like a small meal. Thanks for watching part 1. Now you know what Kanom Buang is and how sweet and savory versions differ. Don't go anywhere. Stay tuned for part 2 where we'll show you how to find the best stalls and enjoy it like a local. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.